Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Weekplan, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo and they got already 6 positive reviews. It's a marketplace deal. It's a productive tool, but I think it's pretty unique and can really help you to improve your daily workflow. I'm thinking to buy it. I'm testing the tool and I think it's a pretty good deal. You just need to get one code and you're gonna get all their week plan updates with all the tool features. And they have apps for iOS, Android, Chrome, Gmail, and Windows. So it's pretty easy to integrate with your daily based tools. You get unlimited everything, unlimited objectives, tasks, boards, journal entries. With Google Outlook, Calendar, and Zapier integrations. I'm gonna show you the tool. So here's the week plan, and they're gonna get automate those productive techniques in a way that it's easy for you to understand. And the idea here is to let you have fully control of your priorities so you can do more with your time and being more productive. Okay, so everything's about adding tasks and controlling it. You can see here on the right a calendar with some tasks. If you want to change the daily tasks, you just drag and drop the tasks from Monday to Thursday, etc. Now, how you're gonna add a new text? You can add a task, an objective, a board, a role, or a team. A team member can be added here. So just add the team name and the email address to invite your colleagues. You can also add roles for your team members, so family, son, colleague, etc. To add a new task, just click here and add the name of the task. This will create a YouTube video. And when you create the task, you can select if it's important or not, if it's urgent or not. And then you click on save. The task will go to your inbox. Okay, it's already here. And you can also send the task using your email. So just send an email to inbox at hello, etc. And then the tool will automatically add the task here on your inbox. So then you can drag and drop and select when you want to create that video and the time. For instance, on Tuesday at 4 p.m. Here it is. So on Tuesday at 4 p.m., you have the task. So it's pretty simple to create all your daily based tasks. Just go here, add the name, select if it's important or urgent, and then it's here. You drag and drop the time, and it will be automatically updated here on your daily. And clicking here, if you click here, you have some options. You can edit your tasks, you can select the progress, you can add comments here and add attachments on your tasks. You can also track your tasks. Okay, so the tool has a time tracking here as well. You can add people to help you to fulfill that task, and also you can create objectives related to that task. You have a link to the tasks that you can share. And you can also change the day of the tasks, set a list to the tasks, and also set that task as a high impact task. So clicking here, it will be converted as a high impact tasks. High impact tasks are your mainly goals, are your mainly tasks, the ones that you really need to fulfill to complete your productive routine. Okay, clicking here on play, you also start the time tracking for that task. Okay, as you can see here, that create a YouTube video is a high impact task. Okay, and if you click here, you are telling that you completed that task. Also, the tool has a journal where you can track your activity and has objectives where you can add objectives to your month, Q2, Q3, etc. Q. For instance, you can say, I want my YouTube channel to get 10K views, 10K daily views. Create objective. So that object for Q2. So here you can add an end date for that objective and also add the key results in your action plan to achieve that objective. As you can see, it's pretty simple. I'm really planning to get it. I think it can help me to get on track and to improve my productivity. You can also see here that you can see your calendar in many different styles, the list style, quadrants. So here you can select the one that you want to do it now, for instance, and just change the direction, and it will be urgent and important. Urgent but not important, not urgent, not important, important but not urgent. So you can divide on those quadrants your tasks by priority, and everything become pretty easy to understand the plan of your life, your goals. I hope you like that review. I'm considering to buy it. And I added the link in the description with the best price to get week plan. Thank you so much. Bye bye.